Now what I'd like to do is give you an opportunity to hear from other people just like you that have gotten started with 7.2 and are having success with our simple system.
Hi, my name's Carrie Jo Alcacer, and for many years I suffered with a lot of pain and numbness due to herniated and degenerated discs in my spine. And I found myself being addicted to pain pills for about 5 years, so it was a pretty miserable existence. And then when I started using the 7.2 products, specifically the Recovery with HydroFX and the Greens, I noticed such a huge difference, and my pain went away after about 30 days, and then that numbness went away after about 90 days. It's been a true life changer. I'm very grateful for the 7.2 product line.
Hello, my name is Darla Levesque, and I'm a Platinum with 7.2. I would like to share with you today my transformation story. When I started on 7.2, I weighed 155 pounds. Was I ever glad to be introduced to a product that I could take every day and change my life? I've lost about 35 pounds. I weigh 116, less than what I weighed in high school. I love 7.2.
I just graduated from college, and what I found out is that unfortunately, most of my friends aren't even using their degrees. In fact, most of us don't even trust corporate America anymore because we see so many people going in debt and working at jobs that they don't even like. And what's so great about 7.2 is that they've put together an incredible product line and a concept that's giving thousands of young people all across the world an incredible opportunity where they can start their own business, be their own boss, set their own hours, set their own income, where they can literally make as much money as they want.
In my 24 years in the industry, I've never seen assembled the pieces of the puzzle like I have at 7.2. Not only do we have seasoned, experienced leadership and trainers here in the company, but we've got a pay plan that richly rewards you both on the front end and on the back end. And then to have systems that our team can tie into both internet, online systems, and offline systems really makes 7.2 the perfect place for us. And if you're looking to grow a dynamic team, 7.2 is the place to be. We are at the forefront of the next great shift in the wellness industry.
Hi, my name is Mike Zanardelli, Black Diamond with 7.2. I achieved Black Diamond in a short period of time, and it had everything to do with an outstanding product line and incredible comprehensive training provided by 7.2 University. The number one reason why most people fail in network marketing is they never got trained properly by people with proven results. 7.2 University will provide the training in an easily understood step-by-step process that can make the difference between great success and average success. If you want fast results in health, use our world-class products. If you want fast results in income, follow the proven training system of 7.2 University.